Hello there, Ade Owolabi here again. All right. This time I want us to take a look at something. So the Bible does tell us that marriage is a honorable institution. I'm sure you must have heard that before. Now, what that tells me, I don't know if that's telling you the same thing. What that tells me is for you to do well in marriage, you must understand the need for you to become a honorable person, because dishonorable people don't do well in a honorable marriage. Do you understand that? Like I will always say, there is nothing wrong with marriage. Marriage is beautiful, marriage is amazing. That's how God designed it. But the problem we have is dysfunctional people getting into marriage and blaming everything about their lives on the marriage. So irresponsible, so insane, right? Good. So, marriage is a honorable institution. The only way to do well in marriage is for you to make a commitment to becoming a honorable person. Now, what does it mean to be honorable? Being honorable means you taking responsibility for your life. Being honorable means you doing the right thing even when you get no applause, even though nobody is paying you for it, even though nobody is looking or seeing or watching, right? Do you do the right thing? Are you used to doing what is right? You cannot do what is wrong and hope and expect that your marriage will end up well. And I see people also make these mistakes. It doesn't matter what I do as long as you do the right thing. That is wrong. That's so irresponsible as well, right? So you must understand that making marriage work requires that you grow to become a honorable person. You need to do that work to becoming, because the you that will transform your marriage is not the current you. It is the you that you need to become. So what are you becoming? What are you doing? What are you changing? What adjustments are you making? If you're not doing that, there is no growth for your marriage, because there is no marital growth outside personal growth. If you refuse to grow, if you refuse to change, then your marriage will only grow from bad to worse, and from worse to, I don't know. You think about it, right? So, what I'm actually saying here, ladies and gentlemen, is for you to realize that the change you desire to see in your life and marriage has to start with you, because there is no marital progress or growth outside personal growth and progress. You need to make a decision rather than expecting everything to change for you. You cannot determine that. That's not in your hands to control, right? So part of becoming honorable is you understanding what are the things that are within your control, and you work on that. And those outside your control, you leave that to God, right? So my question before I leave you, are you controlling the things within your means to control? Or are you bent on controlling, changing, and manipulating your spouse to change? That's witchcraft. All right, so focus on you, focus on your growth, focus on your development, focus on you making the adjustment necessary, and see how your life becomes better for it. Thank you for listening. See you again soon. Bye.